Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to do the MathJax so that it will take LaTeX equations and display them like we see right here. So on this example, we've got this one working, this one is not working, whoops, this one here, so number 2, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 equations here. 3 of them are not working. So I'm going to go to the second one. And just to show you, so it's this one right here. It's the second one. So if I go and, you don't have to do this, but just to show you, if I go to text, view, this is all the code. So you can see here, this is correct. You have the MathJax, whatever you call that, the code that you have to put in anywhere on the page because it will not display on the front end. And then for each of the equations, here's the original equation. So you have to put $2 before and at the end of each one. Okay? So if you look at the second equation, you see as soon as you start seeing all these span tags and everything, that's the problem. So, and you can see there it is. There's the second one, here's the third one, and here's the fourth one. So I'm going to go back to visual. And this is number 1, which is displaying fine. So I'm going to take this one, and normally there aren't the dollar signs aren't there already. So what I'm going to do is let me think of how I want to do this. I guess I am going to go ahead and select that. Normally what you would do is you would just have, because it would just show like this. This is when you're starting off, right? Did I do that right? Yeah. Get rid of the dollar signs. So now what I'll do is I'll just highlight that, and then I will right click, cut, or you can do Control X on your keyboard, and then I can right click and paste without formatting. The other way to do that is with paste without formatting is Control Shift and V on the keyboard. That's how you do that. So that's 1, 2, what was the other one? 3. So 3. So 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are a problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I take this, I should be able to just cut that, paste without formatting. Then this one, cut that, paste without formatting. You notice some of the spacing here is a little odd, but anyway, let's put the dollar signs back in here. And it's probably not that critical. I see this is probably a line break, or one of these are line breaks, or it's got something else extra in it. Whenever you're trying to clean up spacing, I usually go like this. I delete, hit the delete key, and then I hit enter, and then delete key, enter, delete key, enter, delete key, enter, delete key, enter. Whoops. Okay. So let's go backspace, enter. There we go. So now if I save that, because these will automatically space out correctly on the front side. If I hit update, let's see if this works. Refresh the page, and there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For some reason, a couple of these need a little more spacing in between them. So sometimes what you can do is you can go into text, and you can just kind of see how things are looking down here. There's a div tag, which is fine. Div tag is kind of like a paragraph mark or a line space. There's the div. Oh, now that's interesting. See, there's span class here on 1, 2, 3. The third one has a span tag. So let's go back to here. 1, 2, 3. Cut it, and then paste without formatting. Now let me go back to it and see what I see here. That looks better. Div, 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 div. Okay, so update. And it's usually a good idea to put it back to visual mode, or every page will open on the back end in code, code view. So now I'll refresh it. Okay, that's about as good as it gets. For whatever reason, there's just some spacing in between here. Let me see if I can spot anything else that is in the tag that would cause that. It might just be something that's in the formula that causes it to do that. Dollar signs all in the beginning, div tags all in the beginning, dollar sign div, dollar div, dollar div, dollar div, dollar div, dollar div. Nope, that's about as much as you can do to clean that up. So anyway, hope that helps.